Hi, I'm Mike, one of the founders of My Ask AI, and I'm going to show you how you can improve the answers of your Ask AI so it can answer more questions. So the first thing that you can do to improve the answers of your Ask AI is to add additional knowledge to your Ask AI. So the more knowledge it has about the questions it should be answering, the more likely it is going to be to answer those questions. But you often might need to know what questions it isn't answering to begin with. So to do this, the easiest way is to go to your Insights dashboard. You'll see an Improve This button. So if you just click that, it will show you all the questions that couldn't be fully answered by your AI assistant. So in this case, we can see we've got a handful of questions. And for each one, we can decide whether we're going to upload some additional content by adding it to chatbot setup and then knowledge, or we can just add an answer to that specific question. So for instance, we don't really need to add into our docs anything about our Twitter account, but we might want to be able to answer the question. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a custom answer for this question. So all we do is we click the plus icon. We then answer the question, is there a My Ask AI Twitter account? Yes, there is a Twitter account for My Ask AI. You can find it with the handle at #UseMyAskAI. So there's a character minimum of 50 characters for each answer, and that's to ensure that the AI can answer the question in the future. All we then have to do is click Add Custom Answer, and then that answer is then added to the AI assistant's knowledge base. We can then see that by going into this Manage Custom Answers. So this is where all of the answers that you've added to the AI assistant will live. So we can then go into this and we can see the most recent one here. Is there a Twitter account? Yes, there is a Twitter account. So now if the user is to ask that same question again, they will get the answer that we've given here. Or if they're to ask a similar question to this, like what's your Twitter account, then it will come up with this answer. We can also remove these if they change over time. And so we can always take out answers and we can correct them as well. The other thing that we can do, if we want to get to that screen, we just go to Chatbot Setup, we go to Knowledge, and then we go to Add Custom Answer. So again, if we wanted to add a question answer pairing that maybe hasn't come up, what we can do is we can click to Add a Custom Answer, and we just put the question, the answer in, click Add Custom Answer, and then that will get added to our knowledge base as well. That might be useful where there's a question that you know is going to come up or has come up in some variation previously, but it doesn't really make sense to add a knowledge article for it, in which case you just want a quick answer, a quick bit of knowledge that you can put in. You can also add URLs into these responses and they'll be brought back by the AI assistant as well. So that's how you can improve your AI resolution. We would recommend that you kind of revisit this. So try and kind of clear down any of these responses. So to clear them down, all you're going to do is you're going to click the trash can icon next to any of the ones that you don't want to answer, and then add answers for the ones that you do until you've cleared this list. And then over time, that list will decrease as you're answering more and more of the questions and you're training your AI with more and more information. So that's how you can improve answers. If you have any questions, any ideas, any feedback, please do let us know. We're always looking to find ways to improve answers. Thanks very much. Cheers.